In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT 5 with 5 powerful use cases that can save you time, spark ideas, and make everyday tasks much easier. Whether you want to create content, improve your resume, learn faster, write better marketing copy, or plan creative projects, ChatGPT 5 can help you do it all in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step AI tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first powerful use case is content creation. This is one of the most popular ways to use ChatGPT 5 because it can help you generate ideas and write content fast. If you need a YouTube script, a blog post, a social media caption, or even a short email, you can simply give ChatGPT a clear prompt with the topic, the tone, and the style you want. For example, you could ask it to write a beginner-friendly YouTube script about productivity or create Instagram captions for a fitness brand. The more specific you are, the better the output will be. You can also ask ChatGPT to make the content more casual, more professional, more engaging, or more SEO friendly, depending on your goal. This makes it a great tool for creators, marketers, and small business owners who need high-quality content without starting from scratch every time. The second powerful use case is resume and job help. ChatGPT 5 can be a huge advantage when you're applying for jobs or trying to improve your professional profile. You can ask it to create a resume from your experience, rewrite bullet points to sound stronger, or turn the basic job duties into achievement-focused statements. If you already have a resume, you can paste it into ChatGPT and ask for improvements based on the job you want to apply for. You can also use it to write cover letters, prepare interview answers, and even practice common interview questions. This is especially useful if you are unsure how to describe your skills clearly. ChatGPT can help you present your experience in a more polished and professional way, which can save time and make your application stand out. The third powerful use case is study and learning. If you ever struggle to understand a topic, ChatGPT 5 can explain it in a much simpler way. You can ask it to break down difficult concepts, summarize long lessons, or teach you step by step like a tutor. For example, if you are learning math, science, history, or even coding, you can ask ChatGPT to explain it in plain English or give examples that are easy to remember. You can also ask it to create quizzes, flashcards, and study notes to help you prepare for exams. This is a really powerful feature because it turns ChatGPT into a learning assistant that works anytime you need support. Instead of searching through dozens of websites, you can get a focused explanation instantly. The fourth powerful use case is marketing and business. ChatGPT 5 can help you write ad copy, product descriptions, email campaigns, sales messages, and social media marketing content. If you run a business, this can be incredibly useful for saving time while still creating persuasive copy. You can tell ChatGPT who your audience is, what your product does, and what result you want, and it can generate marketing text that fits your needs. For example, you could ask it to write a Facebook ad for a clothing store, an email promoting a new service, or a headline for a landing page. You can also use it to brainstorm business ideas, create customer FAQs, and improve the clarity of your messaging. This makes ChatGPT a practical tool for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business teams. The fifth powerful use case is image and creative work, especially content planning. Even if you are not directly generating images, ChatGPT 5 can help you organize ideas for visual content, creative campaigns, and themed projects. You can use it to plan a month of content, build a creative strategy, or generate ideas for posts, thumbnails, infographics, and brand visuals. If you are a designer, creator, or social media manager, this can help you stay organized and consistent. You can ask ChatGPT to create a content calendar, suggest creative angles, or map out a full campaign around a product launch or event. It is also useful for turning rough ideas into structured plans so you can move faster and stay focused. So, to quickly recap, ChatGPT 5 can help you with content creation, resume and job support, study and learning, marketing and business, and image and creative planning. The key is to give it clear instructions and use it as a starting point that you can refine. The more you practice with it, the more useful it becomes. If you want, you can try one of these 5 use cases today and see how much time it saves you. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.